Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, says the rising cost of food items is significantly affecting hotels in the area. Mr. Wallace argues that hotels may soon have to increase prices to cushion the effects, even as they look forward to a booming summer. Now, Vashon Brown was in Negril, Westmoreland, and now reports.
The summer is shaping up to be very good, and we're very excited about that.
Optimism in the tourism sector after a recent announcement that Emirates Airline has forged a new partnership with Jamaica, allowing customers to book flights to the island. It's a partnership that is expected to open up the Jamaican market to the Middle East, with links to Asia and North Africa. Jamaica is the first Caribbean destination to enter into such an arrangement with airlines in the Middle East. But even with great expectations for the summer, concerns.
Now, with growing concerns about food prices, stakeholders here in Negril, Westmoreland say they worry about what that might mean for the tourism sector. In fact, some stakeholders say they're already seeing the effects of price increases.
There are some food items that are either hard to get or very expensive, too expensive for us to consider. Some items like oxtail, we had to take it off our menu because it was so expensive. And by the time you price it, you know, it would be out of the reach of most of our consumers. I understand that chicken wing, chicken breast, stuff like that, simple things like that are hard to come by. Fish, you know, lobster, stuff like that. The prices are ridiculous.
Mr. Wallace says the hotels in Negril have been absorbing the increase in prices for quite some time, and now they're not sure how much longer they can do so.
Cost of vacations are going to increase because all the inputs are increasing. So there's no way it's definitely going to happen.
So you've spoken with others, I'm sure, within this sector, and what level of increase do they see they might have to pass on to people?
I haven't been told any figures. You know, we're watching the situation. You know, there are many different hotels in Negril that have different target markets, so the price points are different. So I suspect, you know, everyone will adjust based on their market and their price points.
Electricity bills have gone up significantly due to the Ukraine-Russia war. The government has so far committed to paying 20% of electricity costs for more than 350,000 Jamaicans from May to August 2022. But hoteliers say they too are feeling the effects of rising utility bills.
I've noticed that some of the larger properties are switching to solar or putting in solar plants, and so because it is a factor, and something needs to be done about it. Absolutely, we cannot continue to just absorb increased prices for electricity and water, you know, non-stop. It's not sustainable.
Reporting from Western Jamaica, I'm Vashon Brown for TVJ News.